Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you are going to learn some unique and amazing things. Let's see how we are going to draw it. You have to spread the flowers and paste it and arrange it in this manner one over the other, and it is yet ready to glitter. Isn't it amazing? Now you have to take the earbuds in this way and then paste it in this manner and let the positions like these. And now you just have to paste it in a group of 5, and here you have to paste the ball in between, and then with the help of ice cream sticks you need to make this further and then color it so as to get an amazing look. Paste the strings and bushes like this and your scenery is ready. Now let's see what are we going to do now. You just have to get the heart shape patterns in this way and now paste it further. Just paste the heart shape pattern and make it look like this. Your lotus flower is ready to go. Tulips or lotus, whatever you can say. Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Again, you just need to arrange the semicircular parts, and then yes, you are going to make a crab like this, isn't it? So you just have to make the eyes with the help of your black marker, make it look like this, and then make a smiley face. Isn't it looking cute? Yes, you can further decorate it and paste it in this manner. Arrange the sheets like these so as to make it look super amazing and cute, and just further decorate it, giving it a further look like this, a final touch. Isn't it super? Now let's see, you just have to take a paper, cut a circle, and then paste these spikes all around it in this manner. Now what we have to do, you just have to paste it the circular one, curly one in this way, and now you have to put the time as well, write it in this manner, and your clock is ready. Looking pretty, right? You can further decorate it. Now take a sheet, get the circular cutouts in this manner, and then what you have to do, you have to paste it in this way. Arrange these sheets like these, one over the other from small to large, and now you have to get the spike, heart shape pattern, a beautiful flower pattern, and then arrange it in this manner. Get it pasted in this way. You have to arrange them further, get the sheets, and here it is ready. Now what we are going to do, what you need to do now, you just have to arrange the flowers in these manner, one over the other. You just make the flower, now make the pond look like this, and you can absolutely imagine what are we gonna create now. Yes, just further decorate it and make it look like this. Join them further and it is yet ready. Now with the help of a compass, draw a circle, cut them out, and then paste and arrange the sheets in these manner as we are doing here. Get the circular cutouts, and now we just have to draw it further and then make the paws and claws in this manner and the tail. Pretty cute, right? Now get the shape of your hand and cut it further. Paste it here, and now with the help of make a Japanese fan and the faces look like these. Paste it in this manner, and now what you have to do, you have got it super ready. Proceeding in this manner, you just have to, with the help of the marker, get the serious cutouts, and then proceeding further in this way, get the cutouts of the paper and paste it look like this. And it is yet ready to look super awesome, isn't it? Give it a final touch and it is ready.